Record winter temperatures in Antarctic raise fears over speed of climate breakdown. Temperatures above 15 degrees Celsius, very strange, say scientists, as snow melts and rain falls on glaciers in usually frozen region. Temperatures in the Antarctic climbed above 15 degrees Celsius this month, shattering the previous winter heat record for the usually frozen region and raising concerns about the speed of climate breakdown. The new winter peak temperature was logged by the Argentinian Esperanza base on the Trinity Peninsula on the 6th of June amid a protracted heat wave when the maximum daily temperature exceeded 0 degrees for 3 consecutive weeks. Scientists said the high of 15.4 degrees Celsius broke the previous record set at the same station in 1998 by 2 degrees Celsius. "This is absolutely crazy," said Raul Cordero, an Ecuadorian climate professor at the University of Groningen. "It is also about 20 degrees Celsius above normal for this time of the year. That is a huge anomaly. Unusually strong warm winds from the north blew across much of the Antarctic peninsula." One Chilean weather station, Buenos Rivera, registered temperatures of close to 13 degrees Celsius, Cordero said. On King George Island, 100 miles, 160 kilometers from Esperanza, researchers said the landscape had changed from mostly white to brown, gray, and green after temperatures hit 4.6 degrees Celsius on the 6th of June. "Last weekend was very strange. The temperatures here went very high, so everything outside melted," said Luis Munoz, a Chilean glaciologist. "Usually there is 20 centimeters of snow and a lot of ice on the ground at this time." View image in full screen. "Usually there is 20 centimeters of snow and a lot of ice on the ground at this time." Munoz said he and a colleague, Natalia Mestre, climbed to the 500-meter peak of the nearby Collins Glacier last Wednesday and were surprised to find rain melting the ice. "There was a direct impact on the glacier, which should be receiving snow now. It should not be suffering ablation at this time of the year. This is obviously not good for the glacier. The Antarctic region is coming under increasing human pressure, directly in the form of resource exploration and tourism, and indirectly through the burning of fossil fuels, which is heating the planet. Sign up to Down to Earth, free weekly newsletter, the planet's most important stories. Get all the week's environment news, the good, the bad, and the essential. Privacy notice: newsletters may contain information about charities, online ads, and content funded by outside parties. If you do not have an account, we will create a guest account for you on theguardian.com to send you this newsletter. You can complete full registration at any time. For more information about how we use your data, see our privacy policy. Scientists warn that some of the region's biggest glaciers, such as Thwaites and Pine Island, are approaching or may even have passed a tipping point that could push up global sea levels by 4 meters. Antarctic ice melt has also been found to slow global ocean circulation. Cordero said a single winter of heat waves, no matter how amazing, would not by itself make a huge difference to sea levels, but it signified more alarming long-term trends. "This heat wave happened because of extremely strong westerlies," he said. "This has been happening with increasing frequency since the 1980s, and that is known to be related to climate change." Explore more on these topics.